You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, power passenger seat, power lift gate, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.